Are you tired of using your phone's GPS and still getting lost in unfamiliar areas? Do you wish there was a more accurate, reliable way to navigate while on the go? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. I've been testing the Cube Shadow GPS and it's changed the game for me. But here's what surprised me. This tiny device is not just a simple GPS tracker, but a powerful navigation tool that's packed with features designed to keep you safe and on track. Therefore, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Cube Shadow GPS and explore all its benefits. So, if you want the best price for this amazing device, click the link in the description below /N. As a seasoned traveler and adventurer, I was initially skeptical about using a separate GPS device. But after trying out the Cube Shadow GPS, I can confidently say it's become an essential tool in my travel kit. The first thing you'll notice when unboxing the Cube Shadow GPS is its sleek and compact design. Weighing in at just 2 ounces, this tiny powerhouse fits perfectly on your keychain or attached to your backpack /N. But let me ask you, have you ever been lost in a foreign country with no phone signal? I know I have. That's why the Cube Shadow GPS ability to provide accurate location tracking even without cell service is a game changer. Therefore, we'll be exploring more of its features later on. So, what makes the Cube Shadow GPS stand out from other navigation tools on the market? Let me give you a rundown of its top features. 1. Satellite tracking ***. The Cube Shadow GPS uses multiple satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, to provide precise location tracking even in areas with limited cell coverage. 2. Offline maps. With the ability to download maps for offline use, you can navigate even when your phone's battery is dead or you're in an area with no internet connection. 3. Emergency SOS. If you get into a sticky situation, the Cube Shadow GPS has an emergency SOS feature that sends out a distress signal to your emergency contacts. 4. Power efficiency. With up to 10 days of battery life, this device is perfect for long trips or extended outdoor adventures. So, how does it perform in real-world tests? I put the Cube Shadow GPS through its paces by taking it on a hike and using it to navigate through dense forest areas. Here are my findings. While the Cube Shadow GPS performance was impressive, there were some minor issues with the map display and satellite signal strength. However, these problems are relatively minor compared to the overall benefits of this device. Now that you've seen what I have to say about the Cube Shadow GPS, here are some more points to consider before making your decision. Battery life ***. With a battery life of up to 10 days, this device is perfect for long trips or extended outdoor adventures. Accuracy ***. The Cube Shadow GPS ability to provide accurate location tracking even without cell service makes it an ideal tool for travelers and adventurers. As we near the end of our review, let me ask you, are you ready to upgrade your navigation game with the Cube Shadow GPS? With its impressive features and compact design, this device is a must-have for anyone who loves exploring new places. Therefore, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. The final verdict: if you're serious about staying safe while traveling or exploring the great outdoors, the Cube Shadow GPS is an absolute game changer. With its impressive features and compact design, this device has earned a permanent spot in my travel kit. So what are you waiting for? Get your Cube Shadow GPS today by clicking the link in the description below /N. Best price link.